Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Defy, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here let's tap on apps and notifications. Now let's tap on advanced and enter special app access. Here we have to tap on install unknown apps, and as you can see, this is the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to install some content. So if you'd like to change it, for example, if you'd like to allow Chrome to install something, just tap on it and tap on the switcher right here. Now let's go back, and as you can see, the Chrome is now allowed to install something. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and your device at risk, so remember about that. So basically it will work the same with all other apps. If you want to turn off the permission, just tap on it and tap on the switcher again, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your MOTOROLA Defy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.